Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about our first chapter, digestive system. Digestive system, it is the one of the very important system in our body. First upon we are learn about what is digestion. Now what is the digestion? The process by which food is broken down from complex to simple form. Digestion means the process by which food is broken down from complex to simple form. The food we eat is not useful to our body as it is. It needs to be changed into simpler form to the observed by the food. The process by which food is converted into a simpler form so that can be used by our body to get energy and nourishment is known as digestion. And in simple language, digestion means the process by which food is broken down from complex to simple form. The digestive system. The digestive system in the human body is an organ system. The digestive system in the human body is an organ system that includes mouth, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Apart from them, salivary glands and liver and pancreas also play an important role in the process of digestion. Apart from them, salivary gland, liver and pancreas also play an important role in the process of digestion. First upon, I will explain some difficult word. What is the salivary glands? A gland that produces saliva. What is the salivary gland? The gland that produces saliva. Now the digestion. The process by which food is broken down from complex to simple form. Now what is esophagus? Esophagus you can see in the figure. This is esophagus means our food pipe. It is also known as an esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. This is a esophagus. A long muscular tube that join the mouth to the stomach. That is join to mouth to the stomach. Okay. Then small intestine. What is the small intestine? A long narrow coil tube which absorbs most of the nutrients from digested food. This is a small intestine. Okay. Now large intestine. This is a large intestine. A long thick tube like organ which absorbs water from undigested food and help in the removal of solid waste from the body through the anus. Okay, these are the very important words in this chapter. Now, what is the process of digestion? What is the process of digestion? Various organs of the digestive system perform different functions to complete the process of digestion. First upon, we learn about first mouth. The digestive process begins in the mouth. It is start from the mouth. The teeth helps in cutting and chewing the food we eat. Saliva produced by the salivary glands and make the food wet and soft, so that is easier to swallow. The tongue helps in tasting and pushing the food downward into the food pipe. Okay, now we can see in the figure, this is our mouth. The digestive process begin in the mouth. The teeth help the cutting and chewing the food. The teeth help the cutting and chewing the food that we eat, and saliva product by the salivary glands make the food wet and soft. Then, so that is get easier to the swallow. Then the tongue helps in tasting and pushing the food downward into the food pipe. Our tongue push the food downward in this food pipe. Okay, these are our teeth and tongue. Teeth helps to chewing and cutting the food, and tongue helping for the tasting and pushing food into the food pipe.